Is there a psychological time? Hi friends, namaste. Welcome back to my channel. In this channel, we explore self-inquiry, meditations, awakenings and more. In this video, we are going to explore the nature of psychological time. What is time? If we observe, there are two times. One is chronological, that is physical time of day and night, yesterday, today and tomorrow, which we use to catch train, going to office and so on. There is another time which is psychological, that is the distance between what is and what should be. Now, one is, say for example, violent, which is what is. Then there is the ideal of non-violence, which is what should be. Then there's a gap between violence and non-violence. For one to become non-violent, a traditional mind thinks that time is needed. This is the beginning of psychological time. The traditional conditioned mind says, I will work upon myself, I will become non-violent. I need time for this process. Now, the question is time necessary for such transformation? Or is this time the invention of thought? To begin with, one observes that I am violent, and it creates the opposite ideal of non-violence, and it says I will become non-violent, and the time is necessary for it, and thereby it continues to be violent in the meantime. One should inquire now, why is that mind creates what should be? Is it because it doesn't know how to deal with what is? Not knowing what to do with what is, the mind creates what should be. If one learns how to deal with what is, then there will be no need to create what should be. If one stays with what is, without creating the opposite ideal, without judgments or condemnation, with all its implication, then there is that transformation. In this way, there is no need for thought to create an illusory time. If there are no thoughts, is there a psychological time? If you observe, you'll notice that thought creates the illusion of time, of psychological time. So friends, ponder over it. Is there a psychological time?